Yeah, so in section A, you have very expressive lyrics, which is very energetic. It's expressive, and it is it's not exactly lyrical itself, like lyrical moods, which, yeah, we're talking about life, we're talking about death, we're talking about the world, about living, we're talking about something which is like dedication, that it's very, very, it comes from the bottom of the heart, yeah, and you dedicate this to someone, you can imagine to whom, yeah, and it is very passionate in a way, yeah. So what is lacking at the moment is passion, yeah, not enough attention to the words, not enough meaning, sense in it, you know. And we will do it again. We will do it again. I really want you to create the difference between du meine Won or du mein Schmerz, you know, because that's important. It is really important, the message which you give to, you know, to the audience, to those who listen to you. Okay, let's do it again, yeah, from the beginning. Do, like, you can say that it's like you are my, you know, you're my life, you're my, yeah, do. So it's not exactly it's do, yeah, and then do, a bit more attention to this. That's my mistake, okay. Once again, do meine. That's it for today.